Welcome to the Waterlark in the quaint town of Bayview, Idaho. And if you're looking for those captivating dusk to dawn views, the Waterlark is host to the best views in the bay. The house was originally used to raise a family, but in recent years, it was converted to a successful short-term rental. It sleeps up to 12 people and is perfect for large gatherings. There are many aspects to love about this home, and one of my favorites is the 3 covered decks overlooking the bay. Just imagine taking in these amazing views while you sip on your morning coffee. And this is my favorite feature. Not only are you on the water, but get your own private dock. So get the boat out and let's go explore the lake. Thank you for coming along on this tour with me. To truly appreciate the beauty of this waterfront home, schedule your in-person tour.